guys! Привет, друзья! Welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia. I'm your Russian language teacher. And today we are going to continue learning Russian letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the third group of Russian consonants, which are usually called foreigners. These letters might look a little bit weird, but some of them will be familiar from your holidays in Greece or from algebra lessons. So let's learn them. So our first letter is B, and we pronounce it as B. 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 The next one is D. 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 The next one is G. 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 This one is P. 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 This letter is L. 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 The next one is Z. 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 This one is F. 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 And this letter we call E краткое or short E, and we pronounce it as Y. Y. So don't confuse this letter with the vowel E. So Y is a consonant and E is vowel. So this letter is Y. Dear friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about learning Russian, please write them in the comments. And see you soon at our next Russian lesson.